Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The 2026 Winnebago Travato camping van is one of the most thoughtfully engineered adventure vans on the road today, designed for travelers who want the freedom of life on the road without sacrificing comfort, convenience, or everyday usability. Right from the first glance, the Travato's exterior tells you it's built for exploration. Compact enough to handle city streets and parking lots with ease, yet rugged and purposeful enough to take on winding back roads, forest trails, and scenic overlooks. Its aerodynamic body, reinforced chassis, and modest profile make it ideal for both weekend getaways and extended off-grid adventures. With roof vents, optional solar panels, and intelligently placed windows that maximize natural light, the exterior design blends smart functionality with timeless campervan style, setting the tone for the experience inside. The heart of the Travato's interior is the living and dining area. Foldable tables and flexible bench seating create a space that works for meals, remote work, or relaxation. The layout is cleverly designed so that the seating can be quickly transformed into a comfortable bed at night, with mattresses that provide quality rest thanks to thoughtful cushioning and support. Some Travato builds even include an elevated bed system or modular sleeping configurations that make the most of vertical space without compromising headroom. Large windows create an open and airy feel, and blackout shades or privacy curtains ensure restful sleep and personal comfort at night. The kitchenette in the 2026 Winnebago Travato is compact yet impressively functional, making cooking on the road a genuine pleasure rather than a chore. It typically includes a sink with an efficient water system, a 2-burner stove or cooktop, and a refrigerator that keeps food fresh during extended trips. Well-organized cabinets and drawers ensure that cookware, utensils, and pantry items have a home, and clever countertop extensions or fold-out surfaces increase prep space without crowding the cabin. LED lighting throughout the kitchen area makes evening meal preparation simple, while windows and ventilation systems help keep the space fresh and comfortable. Storage is one of the Travato's biggest strengths. Overhead cabinets, underbed compartments, and cleverly placed bins provide plenty of room for clothing, outdoor gear, kitchen essentials, and personal items. Some layouts even include slide-out storage trays and modular storage solutions that let you organize gear efficiently, so everything from hiking boots to photography equipment has a designated space. This thoughtful approach to storage means the interior stays tidy and functional even on longer journeys, allowing travelers to make the most of every square inch. Stepping into the 2026 Winnebago Travato feels like entering a well-organized, multifunctional living space that's both comfortable and intuitive. Every inch of the interior is designed with purpose, creating a balance between living, dining, sleeping, and storage areas without feeling cramped. Up front, the driver and passenger seats are supportive and ergonomic, making long highway drives feel effortless. In many configurations, these seats swivel to face the living area, instantly expanding the usable interior space when parked. The dashboard features modern digital displays and easy-to-access controls for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle monitoring systems, keeping everything driver-focused and user-friendly without overwhelming you with complexity. Wireless smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth audio, and multiple USB charging points help keep your devices ready for media, navigation, and staying connected with friends and family on the road. Climate control and comfort systems in the 2026 Travato are designed to handle a broad range of environments. Whether you're parked in a cool forest clearing or a desert campground, integrated HVAC systems, insulation packages, and available auxiliary heaters help maintain comfortable temperatures throughout the year. Roof vents and fans improve airflow during warmer days, reducing reliance on generator or electrical hookups and making off-grid living more sustainable and enjoyable. Solar panel options and auxiliary battery systems allow for extended stays without needing to connect to external power, keeping lights, fans, and appliances running independently. Safety and convenience features enhance both everyday driving and adventure travel. The Travato's compact size and agile handling make it easier to maneuver than larger RVs, while rear-view cameras, parking sensors, and advanced driver assistance systems increase confidence in urban settings and on narrow back roads. Its robust suspension and reliable drivetrain provide a smooth ride, whether